The 7-inch motorcycle CarPlay Android Auto is a device equipped with a sunshade. It features 2 cameras, one in the front and one in the back. Let's first look at the compatible phones for this device. It can connect to both Apple and Android smartphones. To pair an iPhone or an Android phone, we need to set it up first. Go to Phone, tap it, and you'll see options for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's start by connecting an iPhone. When we click to enter CarPlay, it will guide you on how to connect your phone. Below, you'll find the name of the device's Bluetooth. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and search for the device's Bluetooth name. Select the matching name, tap to connect, and then click Use CarPlay. That's it, we're connected successfully. We can control it using Hey Siri voice commands. Additionally, we can connect Bluetooth headphones. Because once CarPlay and the phone are successfully paired via Bluetooth, the Bluetooth will be automatically released, switching to data transmission via Wi-Fi. After the automatic release of Bluetooth, we can connect our phone and Bluetooth helmet headphones. Once connected, we can use voice commands through the Bluetooth headphones to control navigation, make and receive calls, play messages, listen to music, etc., all displayed on CarPlay. Some apps may not show up on the device because CarPlay considers them to be a distraction that could affect safe driving, so it prohibits them. When we want to switch phones, we first need to disconnect the Bluetooth connection, which can be done by turning off the device's Bluetooth. Exit CarPlay to avoid interference from previously connected phones. We can reset the device to its factory settings in the Settings menu. After restarting, the device will forget any previously connected phones. Now let's connect an Android phone. First, we need to download Android Auto from the Google Store. Note, your Android phone must be running Android 10 or higher to connect. This phone has already downloaded it, so there's no need to download again. Next, we still need to set up the device's connection method. In Phone, select Android Auto. Then use the device to search for the Bluetooth name. Once the jump is successful, it's connected. Sometimes if you can hear sound but don't see the transition, it might be because you forgot to adjust your phone's system settings during connection. You'll need to reconnect.